let's take a look at the Disney dining plan. Now, Disney offers 3 distinct dining plan options that you can choose from. Quick service, the Disney dining plan, and the deluxe Disney dining plan. Let's take them one at a time and really explore the features of each dining plan and show you which one might be right for you. So the first one is the quick service dining plan. Now this gets updated every year, just got updated for 2017. It's good from January 1st to December 31st. So you can make the most of your Magic Your Way package plus the quick service dining with this handy guide. So what is included in this plan? You get 2 quick service meals per day of your trip and 2 snacks. Now, when they say quick service, that means any of the quick service restaurants that we just talked about are included, and anything that is denoted as a snack credit. You are not paying in cash, you pay in credits. So if I was on this plan, I would get 2 credits per day per person and 2 snack credits. I also get the refillable drink mug for my resort. So all I have to do is go into the resort, I get the mug that I want, they activate it for the length of stay, and I'm good. So it's really simple, really quick and easy. It's not a lot that they give you, but it is a little. And you know what? I've done this plan before, and this plan, honestly, it's still quite a bit amount of food. You're thinking quick service meals, they're going to be like fast food. They're not. Some of them are kind of fast food, but there are some really good quick services that Disney does have. Moving on to the regular dining plan. So this one gives you a little bit more. You get 1 table service meal, 1 quick service meal, and 2 snacks. So you could, let's say, go to Ohana's for breakfast. That's your table service. You're in the parks, you just want to grab something quick, that's your quick service. And you guys want popcorn? You get 2 popcorns. Kids can share popcorn. It's a snack credit each. So it's really flexible how you can use your dining plan, and every Magic Band activates the dining plan. It's on everybody's band. It's really easy to use. And just like with the quick service, you do get the refillable mug available to you at any time. And then the deluxe dining plan. Now, I have had this one, and I will tell you right now, it is a lot of food. It's kind of hard to do sometimes, and you feel like you're always having a reservation every 5 seconds. Here's how it works. You get 3 meals. These can be table service or quick service meals. It doesn't matter. The point is you get 3 meals a day, and you get 2 snacks. That is per person, and that is per day. So, and you also get the refillable drink mug as well. One note about the dining plans. It has to be added for all members of your party. So let's say you have 1 room, 4 people are staying in that room. Everyone's on the dining plan. Let's say you have 2 families coming together, 2 families of 2. Both families would have to do the dining plan because it's by room. It is not by party. So that is something to bear in mind when booking the Disney dining plan. It's all or nothing. So it is something to keep in mind when booking that. So that is a quick overview of the Disney dining plans. In the next section, we're going to take a look at actually going and booking our dining reservations and making those great dining opportunities available to us and finding out when we can actually start booking those. So I'll see you in the next lesson.